Hey guys, it is Kryssy K and I'm back with another video. This is the Curlsmith Bond Curl Rehab Salve. On this video, we are going to talk about something that's crucial for curly hair, and not only just curly hair, curly blonde hair. I am 3 weeks out of the silk press. My girl had my hair silky. It is important to restore my curls and make sure I have the correct protein moisture balance, and that is where this one comes in. This is the Curlsmith Bond Curl Rehab Salve. I don't know, maybe I'm saying it wrong, but it's a bonding treatment, like to repair the bonds on my hair since I straightened it. For weak or damaged hair, blonde hair is a lot. It's coloring your hair is a lot, and it's a lot of maintenance to maintain blonde hair and be healthy. So this is one of the tools that I put on. You put this on your hair. I have medium porosity hair, so I'll let this sit for about 20 minutes. So I'm gonna get started with that before we get into the wash day. So most of this wash day is going to continue with the protein collection. And this is gentle anti-breakage shampoo for damaged curls. I always like to throw in the conditioning quench wash when I do it. It's kind of like a shampoo and conditioner in one. So this is like a double wash. This is hands down my favorite product from the brand. And I'm gonna finish off with the multitasking conditioner. You can do it as a regular conditioner or a leave-in. I'm gonna do it as a leave-in. I want to give my hair the ultimate moisture this wash day. So let's get into this wash day. This product is supposed to be applied on damp hair. So go ahead and section my hair off and get started. Add a little water. What I look for to happen in this product is to watch the curls come back to life after all of this heat.
At this point, I'm just continuing the process with spraying my hair with the water and adding that on and massaging it in, because I'm waiting for my curls to convert, because it's supposed to be repairing the damage from the heat that I had in my hair and with the blonde hair. As you can see in the back, it is already starting to convert. I'm gonna let this sit on my hair for 20 minutes to let it fully convert and repair the bonds on these curls. And then I'm gonna actually get started with the wash day. It has been about 20 minutes. Most of my hair has converted nicely. It's a little questionable in the front. I may have went over that a couple times, but we are about to get the wash day going officially. About to go in with these two and this right here. I'm gonna apply this as a leave-in. And it did its job. Curls are back. It's giving very healthy. So I'm gonna get this started. I usually section it into 4s, but sometimes 5s because the back of my hair is very thick, and just giving 5s for sure. So this is what we're working with. Curls converted all the way back, looking healthy and moisturized. Because I typically add a gel, I like to finish off with a gel for hold, but I don't got a lot of time today and I need my hair to dry fast, so we're gonna skip the gel. And if I need to, I'll just add gel on a refresh. So like I said, we're gonna section into 5s. I'm starting with the 3-in-1 multitasking conditioner.
I like to comb the conditioner all the way through to make sure it's penetrating all of the hair. I'm gonna go ahead with the cream. I couldn't find it. Alexa, stop.
This is the Featherlight Protein Cream.
I feel like this is gonna be enough though. I like the way that it feels already with these products. And we're gonna add this mousse for a finish. Just gonna give it a little shingle. We're just gonna continue with the same thing on this side. Alexa, play Victoria Monet.
I Love and similar songs on Amazon Music.
Alright, so we got most of the head done. And it's just the top piece. I'm trying to figure out if I'm middle parting it or if we are giving a bang today. I don't know how I feel about a middle part. Nope, got to go. Makes me feel comfy. Bang. Go ahead and snap that right there. And then I'm just gonna style these business as usual, like everything else. Alexa, play.
I'm loving the way my hair feels, and I'm excited about this Bouncy Strength Volume Foam. It's supposed to give my hair a lot of volume, and I really like my hair big.
Okay, hair is done. I am gonna diffuse it, but I like to let it sit for like 20-30 minutes before I diffuse it. This is supposed to be lightweight. It should dry fast. So we're gonna hope for the best. I'll be back when it's time to diffuse. So now that we have let everything settle in, we're gonna go ahead and give it a diffuse. I do it that way just to kind of hold the curls and get them hard enough. Then I just take it off for the volume portion. So my hair is about
75% dry. What I like to do to finish is, this is the Curlsmith bonding oil, and it's just like the last piece to the puzzle in making sure that my hair has the protein balance and that it's nice and healthy after all the heat that has been applied to my hair. Let's press, take it, kind of scrunch it, give it 2 pumps for the whole head. I'm gonna hit it with the blow dryer one more time. For the grand finale, we just kind of pick it out for the value. Okay, so this is the finished product. My curls have fully reverted. They look healthy. The protein balance has been restored to my hair. My hair is gonna look great. It looks so healthy. I got it trimmed when I got it straightened. That was one of the main reasons I got it straightened, so I don't have no more loose ends. I feel like my hair is full, curly, bouncy, and like I said, we're 75% dry, so it has not dried yet. It hasn't got as big as it's gonna get, but I love it. I love how my hair feels. I love the definition. This is actually a really good wash day. If you guys have tried these products, leave a comment below. If you have any questions about the products, make sure you leave me a comment below. And if you're a Curlsmith girly, comment your favorite product below. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you are not subscribed, go ahead and make sure you hit that like button and you subscribe. Until then, I will see you in my next video. Mwah!